Lotus isn't just a workplace. It's where I have discovered who I can be. I joined as a feeder, fresh out of college, and today I lead as an industrial engineer. A transformation made possible by the continuous support and mentorship. At first, I worried I'd have to give up dancing. But with Wild Lotus, I never had to choose between my passion and my profession. Working here has shaped my discipline, confidence, and leadership. All while letting me stay true to the creative spark that's always been a part of me. Wild Lotus isn't just where I work. It's where I show my creativity.
At Wild Lotus, quality isn't a department. It's a culture. Every stitch, every finish, every final check is a promise we make. This isn't just where I work. It's where I have discovered the power of precision, purpose, and pride. Growing up, I chased perfection in my mother's recipes. Today, I bring that same care to every garment that passes through my hands. They call me Tarla ma'am for my cooking. But it's my quality checks that truly define me. Wild Lotus hasn't just given me a job. It has given me independence. At Wild Lotus, excellence is the norm. And it has given me the power to support my family with confidence.
When I joined Wild Lotus as an operator, I had no background in garments and no idea where this path would lead. But over the last 4.5 years, Wild Lotus became more than a workplace. It became my foundation. With every challenge, I chose to rise. And that drive helped me grow. After my father passed away from cancer, leaving behind a deep void and a medical loan, Wild Lotus gave me the strength to take charge of my life. It gave me the stability, and with it, the courage to support my mother. I could care for my injured brother when he met with a serious accident. And I'm proud that I could get my elder sister married because of my income. Every day here is an opportunity to learn, to lead, and to build a future I once couldn't imagine. I now dream of becoming a production manager. For me, success is simple: a steady path, a strong family, and a life with dignity, all made possible by Wild Lotus.
Wild Lotus is where I found not just employment, but empowerment. Wild Lotus is where women like me grow into mentors, leaders, and dreamers. Today, I guide over 50 colleagues on my line. At times, I confidently interact with buyers during audits. Wild Lotus equipped me with hands-on training and purpose. It's this training that helps me take on stitching work at home, even experimenting with designs of my own. Yes, I still dream of a grand wedding. But more importantly, I now have the means to fund it on my own terms. You know what's the best feeling? Seeing a garment I made on display in a showroom or a mall. That's when it truly hits. I made that.
Life without your partner is never easy. In the middle of piecing mine back together, I found a second home at Wild Lotus. Watching my son grow gives me strength. Thanks to my job here, I have been able to do things for him. Things his father would have done. I saved up, bought him a cycle, got myself a scooter, and we celebrate little joys like ice cream outings. His father's presence is irreplaceable. But slowly, my son has started smiling again. And that's what Wild Lotus gave me. A circle of friends, a sense of belonging, and the freedom to dream again through my son.
At Wild Lotus, every stitch tells a story of strength, support, and second chances. In July 2023, a terrible accident left me bedridden for a year. The pain, the surgeries, and the uncertainty. It could have broken me. But they stood by me, kept my job secure, and helped me rebuild myself, piece by piece. With time, I returned not just to work, but to purpose. I became someone others could lean on, just like I once did. One of my greatest joys is working beside my husband every day, growing stronger as a family and as a team. When my son calls me his superhero, I know this isn't just my comeback story. It's a Wild Lotus story. Today, I don't just carry thread and fabric. I carry resilience. Nurtured by a workplace that believes in rising together.